In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on a pocket option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we're first going to do is open up a web browser and go to pocketoption.com. Then from here, we need to go ahead and log in or sign up if you haven't signed up. Now, once inside, you'll see the trading dashboard with charts, assets, and controls. Now, before we make a trade, we need to go ahead and click on our profile and make sure we are verified. So go ahead and verify your account, and also we need to deposit money. So if you want to use this, the live trades, we need to have real money in there. But if you just want to use this as practice, you don't need to deposit any money. So it depends which way you want to do. For this demonstration, I'm just going to do a demo account here, or a demo trade. Now, once we've got that out of the way, we need to head over and click on the trading button on the far left hand side of the page here. So from here, we've got different options. We've got a quick trading real account, quick trading demo account, shares, trading demo, real, MT4, 5 demo, and real. So just choose whichever. Now for this one, I'm going to do a quick trading demo account. Now it's going to take me inside the demo quick high-low. Now from here, we can choose our trading assets. So go ahead and click on the top left-hand corner of the chart here, and now choose your asset. So you see options, Forex pairs, crypto stocks, commodities, etc. on the left hand side. So I'm just going to do currencies, and I'm just going to do GBD AUD. Then it's going to change the chart like so. Now on the right hand side, we can look at the payout too. So you can see we've got a 92%. So now this is your profit if the trade wins. So click the one you want, and then obviously the chart's going to update instantly. Now, also what we can do, we'll make this full screen and make it a bit easier to navigate. And also at the top of the chart, we're going to see different buttons here. So this is where we can change the time frames from 5 seconds up to 1 day candles. We could switch between different indicators here. So we could do line, bar, candlestick charts. My personal preference is using the candlesticks. I find this works best. So I'm going to go change this to candles. And now I'm just going to do 5 seconds. Now, also from here, we can add indicators. So we can like add in RSIs, MACD, moving averages to analyze. Now, for example, if you're expecting EUR USD to rise based on RSI oversold conditions, that's your signal. Now, on the right hand side of that, we can change the time here again. So if you want to do quick trades, set it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or longer trades, try and set it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour plus. Expiration timer determines when your trade will automatically close. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on the buy button. So I want to buy 10, and then we'll see a payout. But if you want to change this to 100, you can see the payout's going to change. So I'm just going to add in a couple more zeros. So you can see here the payout's going to change. Now once you open a trade, on your trades to the right, you can see your open trades. So obviously that got filled. So if I go ahead and buy another, it's going to be opened here. And then on the right hand side, you can see it closed. So you can see I made a $92 profit here on that trade. So basically, if you win, your account balance is updated automatically. If you lose, the invested amount is deducted. Now, you want to go ahead and use demo before real money. So practice on a demo account until you're confident using a real account, because you don't want to lose your hard-earned. And also deposit real funds later via card, crypto, or e-wallets. Now, try not to rely on guessing. Use chart analysis and do a lot of research. Go on YouTube or Google and find and educate yourself how to use this, because this can be a real winner. And also stick to smaller amounts at first, like $1 to $10.